Good morning to all. This is last topic of matrices and determinant, characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Okay. First what we do, we will discuss theory part of characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Okay. Now for that reasons what we do, let us consider A be a square matrix. A be a square matrix of order n. I have taken generally n matrix. Usually in our syllabus it is only 2 by 2 matrices. A be a any square matrices of order 2 by 2 in our syllabus. Okay, comma lambda be the constant scalar quantity. Lambda is the constant, so it is a scalar quantity, and here I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix. Now a matrix of A minus lambda I. Now what we do? Matrix of A minus lambda I. Andre A is a square matrix. Lambda is a identity matrix of order same. Idu 2 by 2 idu 2 by 2 irutte. A minus lambda times of I subtract madda nantara again we got a one matrix. That matrix is called as a characteristic matrix anta karitivi. Yes, matrix of A minus lambda I is called characteristic matrix. Now ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು ಐ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯುವೇಟ್ ದ 2 by 2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಸಸ್ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. is called characteristic polynomials. ಬಹುಪದಗಳು polynomials. Okay, monomial 1 term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, more than 3 we call it as a polynomials ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಬಹುಪದಗಳು. After evaluation of this 2 by 2 treatment we got some expression. That expression is called as a polynomials. Okay, suppose this determinant is equal to 0 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ this is called our required characteristic equation. Yes, to find characteristic equation ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ what we do, determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0 evaluate ಮಾಡಿಟ್ರೆ we are going to get a equation, ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If your matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, then your equation should be quadratic equation. Your equation should be quadratic equation, that is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, whatever we studied in our SSLC. Here also we are going to get the same quadratic equation. Here instead of x lambda irutte, instead of x here value ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ lambda, a lambda square plus b lambda plus c is equal to 0 form we will get. That equation is called characteristic equation anta ಕರಿತೀವಿ. That equation is called characteristic equation. Okay, no doubt if your matrix is 2 by 2 then your equation is characteristic. Your matrix is 3 by 3 equation is a cubic equation, but in our syllabus it is only limited to 2 by 2 matrices only. So no doubt we are going to get a quadratic equation. Okay, how to solve the quadratic equation already we know. Yes, ವರ್ಗ ಸಮೀಕರಣ ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ax square plus bx equal to 0. How to solve? To solve this one, basic method is factorization method. ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಮಾಡುವ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, factorization method. If factorization is not possible, then go to the formula method. X equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a ಅಂತಿರ್ತದಪ್ಪ, ರೈಟಾ? So after solving above equation, after solving above equation. Okay. After solving above equation, after solving above equation, we get value of lambda equal to, if it is a quadratic equation, maybe let us take small a and small b, etc. Cubic idre 3, by quadratic idre 4, like that. Here our equation is quadratic. No doubt we are going to get 2 roots. Okay. These values are called, ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಪ್ಪ, ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. Okay. Here the value of lambda are called as a characteristic roots. Here our topic is characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Okay. To find characteristic equation, what we do? So first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ, find matrix of a minus lambda i. After that, take equation determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0. Evaluate the determinant. Finally write in a order ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 form. That is the characteristic equation. And if you ask the characteristic roots, at that time what we do? Solve the quadratic equation using our known method. What are the known method? Factorization or formula method. Okay. Come to the next problems ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, problems. Problems on characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Problems on CHA ಬರ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಡಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ಟೆ characteristic ಅಂದಂಗ, characteristic equations and characteristic roots. Okay. First problem, find characteristic equation. Find characteristic equation of a matrix A is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 1 3. Okay. What is our question here? Find characteristic equation of a matrix. Only characteristic equation is asked. Okay. Solution. Yes, ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ? Find a minus lambda I matrix. Find a minus lambda I. That is matrix of a minus lambda into I. ಇದು ಸೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಡೀತದೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲಂದರೆ a minus lambda I. Here what is our A? A is the given matrix. 2 minus 2 minus 1 3. Lambda times of identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Identity matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. So A minus lambda I is equal to, simplify ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. How? 2 minus lambda into 1 lambda, subtraction of matrix concept, minus 2 minus lambda into 0 0, right? Minus 1 minus lambda into 0 0. 3 minus lambda into 1 lambda. This is equal to 2 minus lambda ne bariri, minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2, this is minus 1, 3 minus lambda. We got characteristic matrix. Okay, now what we do, consider characteristic equation. Now we know that characteristic equation is given by determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, determinant of a minus lambda equal to 0. ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋರಿ. determinant of 2 minus lambda, because a minus lambda I value we got this one, minus 2 minus 1 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. Right? Evaluate 2 by 2 determinant, product of principal diagonal element, that is ಏನವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda, minus of product of secondary diagonal elements. Secondary diagonal elements are minus 2 into minus 1 ಇದೆ, minus 2 into minus, minus into minus plus 2 into 1 is 2 equal to 0. Right? ನಾವು ಈ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸೋದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ತಗೋರಿ, 2 into 3 6. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 into minus lambda minus 2 lambda, 2 ಮುಗೀತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾಲಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 3 minus 3 lambda, minus into minus plus lambda into lambda become lambda square, minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, finally write in order. First lambda square, minus 2 lambda minus 3 lambda. Okay, like terms ಅನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ 2 lambda minus 3 lambda ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ minus 5 lambda. ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನದ ಮಾಡವಿ, 6 minus 2 it is plus 4 equal to 0. This is our required characteristic equation. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು, this is characteristic equation. Okay, now consider another example. Example number 2. Find characteristic roots. Find characteristic roots. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಂತೂ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಇದೇ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ matrix 3 minus 1 0 minus 2. Okay, now what we do, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸಿಗೆ, ನೀವೇ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಲೆಟ್ A is equal to given matrix 3 minus 1 0 minus 2, and also we know identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Okay, now find A minus lambda I. Matrix A minus lambda into identity matrix. Okay, ಎಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ರೀ 3 minus 1 0 minus 2 lambda times of identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Subtraction of matrix 3 minus lambda into 1 3 minus lambda minus 1 minus lambda into 0 minus 1 ಅದು minus 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 0 minus lambda into 0 is 0 ಇದೆ minus 2 lambda into 1 is lambda. This is characteristic matrix. Now consider characteristic equation. Consider characteristic equation. Determinant of a minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay. Now this matrix and determinant agri. Determinant of 3 minus lambda minus 1 0 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. Evaluation of 2 by 2 determinant. Product of principal diagonal element 3 minus lambda 2 minus lambda 3 minus lambda 2 minus lambda. Okay, minus 1 into 0, it is 0 equal to 0. Multiplication 3 2s are 6 minus 3 into lambda minus 3 lambda minus lambda into 2 minus 2 lambda minus into minus plus lambda into lambda lambda square is equal to 0. Right in order. First lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 2 lambda add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 5 lambda. Constant is only 6 ಇದೆ plus 6 equal to 0. This is characteristic equation. Equation and kelila roots kelara. To get to characteristic roots, what we do? Solve this quadratic equation. It is quadratic in lambda. Quadratic in lambda. So to solve the quadratic equation, what we procedure we have to use? Factorization method. ಅಪವರ್ತನ ಮಾಡುವ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ. Yes, what is the factorization method? ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು factorization method ದಾಗ? First ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ? Find two factors. Find two factors. For that what we do? Make a product of first and third term. ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಫಾರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 6 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 6 lambda square. Okay. Now with the help of this find two factors. ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಎರಡು ಅಪವರ್ತ್ಯಗಳು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. 6ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು 6ನ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರು 6 ಎರಡನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವಪ್ಪ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು? 6 1 ಜಾ 6 1 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, 3 2 ಜಾ 6 2 possibilities. Okay. Yes. How many factors are possible here? 6 1 ಜಾ 6 and 3 2 ಜಾ 6. ಎರಡು ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡೋಣ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. 6 1 ಜಾ 6 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 2 ಜಾ 6. ಎರಡು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅವ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸುಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅದಪ್ಪ. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ make a product of first and third term. That already we done. Lambda square into 6 lambda square. Okay. Write the two factors. Write the two factors such that their addition or subtraction must be middle term. ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ ನಡುವಿನ ಪದ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮಧ್ಯದ ಪದ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ಹೆಂಗಿರಬೇಕು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು? ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಸಚ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ 6 + 1 7 ಆಗ್ತದ, ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. 6 - 1 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂಚೂರು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು ಬರೆದೀವಿ. 6 - 1 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ 5? -5 ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್ I want to put big number is minus, small number is plus. So ಏನಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 6 lambda ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಏನೋ ಬರುತ್ತದ ರೈಟಾ -5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್? ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದೇ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್? ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, minus into plus minus, 6 into 1 6, lambda into lambda lambda square. We are going to get minus 6 lambda square, but we need plus 6 lambda square. So these factors are not possible for this problem. Yes, clear ಆಗಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 6 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 6 1 6 ವಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್. 6 1 6 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೂಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ -6 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಇಂಟು 1 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -6 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ +6 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್. ಸೊ 6 1 6 ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್? 3 2 ನೋಡಿ, 3 + 2 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ 5 ಹಿಯರ್? -5. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? -3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ -2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ? -3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ -2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ -5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ minus into minus plus 3 into 2 6 lambda into lambda 6 lambda square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ನಾವು ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಡು, ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ರೈಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. -5 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬದಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? -3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ -2 lambda plus 6 as it is. So we taken the factors. After taking factors, what we do, totally we have a 4 terms. Lambda square 1 term ide, -3 lambda second term, this is third term, fourth term. Now what we do, group 2 terms anna madana. In this 2 terms, what are the common terms? Take outside. ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಪದ ಎರಡರದಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ -3 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕಾಮನ್ in lambda square dandu, we taken 1 lambda outside, one more lambda left inside the bracket only, minus in 3 lambda taken outside, 3 is left inside the bracket. Okay, next come to another group of terms. Lambda illi lambda illa, lambda is not common. 2 and 6 is also containing 2. 2 3s are 6. So what we take? -2 is common. If you take -2 outside, what is left inside the bracket? Plus lambda. Minus is taking common, so what will happen? Minus into plus become minus. 2 3s are 6. Yes, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? In first 2 terms lambda is common, second 2 terms -2 is common. Now after that see here, 4 terms is converted into 2 terms. This is whole 1 term, this one is second term. These 2 terms containing lambda -3 is common. Lambda -3 is common. Take outside lambda -3, take outside. In first term lambda into lambda -3, we taken lambda -3 outside. What is left? Lambda is left. Minus 2 into lambda -3 taken outside. What is left? 2 is left. This is equal to 0. Now 2 factors are equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ, 2 factors are equal to 0 ಇದ್ರೆ either first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0. This implies what we do, lambda minus 3 equal to 0 or ಅಥವಾ lambda minus 2 is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೋಣ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ lambda equal to minus 3 ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಆರ್ lambda equal to minus 2 ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2. therefore lambda is equal to 2 comma 3 are the characteristic roots. Okay, find characteristic roots ಅಥವಾ characteristic equation and characteristic roots ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ. quite simple. Quadratic equation evaluation, it is there in 9th, I think 8th or 9th or 10th standard is there, and also I explained in detail. Okay, next consider another problem. Problem number 3. Find characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Find characteristic equation and characteristic roots. Characteristic roots for the matrix A is equal to 3, 2, 4, 5. Right? Now what we do, A and avare kotbitarappa. Solution part, consider A minus lambda I. Okay, A is the given square matrix 3, 2, 4, 5 minus lambda into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Right? Simplify this one. A minus lambda I is equal to subtraction ಕಳೆಯೋದು 3 minus lambda into 1 is lambda, 2 minus lambda into 0, 0 then ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ, 4 minus lambda into 0 not necessary, 5 minus lambda into 1 is lambda. Now consider characteristic equation is given by the formula determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, take determinant of above matrix 3 minus lambda 2, 4, 5 minus lambda equal to 0. Right? To evaluate this one, what we do, product of principal diagonal element minus product of secondary diagonal elements. Product of principal diagonal element are here 3 minus lambda minus of 5 minus lambda minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 0. Simplification, bracket multiplication, 3 5s are 15, 3 into minus lambda minus 3 lambda, minus lambda into 5 minus 5 lambda, minus into minus plus lambda into lambda, lambda square minus 8 equal to 0. Now simplification, write in order. First lambda square minus 3 lambda minus 5 lambda add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 8 lambda, 15 minus 8 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ plus 7 equal to 0. This is our characteristic roots. Is characteristic equation, sorry roots ಅಂದಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sorry equation. Characteristic equation. Okay. Next, solve this quadratic equation. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? quadratic equation ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು 7 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 7 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್, ರೈಟ್. ರೈಟ್ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ 7ದಾಗ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ 7 1 7 ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಪ್ಷನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. 7 1 7 such that their addition or subtraction must be middle term. 7 plus 1 add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ no doubt we got 8, but here in middle term it is minus 8. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ? -7 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ -1 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ. and their multiplication is also here minus into minus plus, 7 into 1 7, lambda into lambda is lambda square, right? Instead of -8 lambda, what we take? Their factors, -7 lambda -1 lambda ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? lambda square -7 lambda -1 into lambda is lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. 3 terms he converted into 4 terms by taking factors. Group 2 terms. In first 2 terms, what is common? Lambda is common. Take outside. Lambda square the lambda ಹೊರಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 1 lambda is left inside the bracket. In 7 lambda is taken outside. -7 is left inside the bracket. Here, no common means 1 is always common. Okay. 7 into 1 7, lambda into 1 lambda. So -1 is common in between second 2 terms. Lambda minus into plus become -7 equal to 0. 4 terms is converted into 2 terms by taking common. Now in these 2 terms lambda -7 is again common. Lambda -7 is again common. What is left here? Lambda minus, in second terms -1 is left. 2 factors are equal to 0 means either first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0. So this is equal to lambda equal to 7 athava lambda equal to 1. Therefore, the value of lambda is 1,7 or ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇವು ಎರಡು are required characteristic roots. These are the required characteristic roots. Okay. Now consider another example. Find characteristic equation and characteristic roots ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಎರಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ ಅದರಾಗೆ. Example number 4. Find characteristic equation and roots ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Characteristic equation and roots of a matrix -2 -1 3. ರೈಟ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? a minus lambda ಬರೀರಿ. a minus lambda into I. Right. A is the given matrix. 2 -2 -1 3. Minus lambda times of identity matrix 1 0 0 1. Simplification, a minus lambda I, 2 minus lambda into 1 is lambda. This is -2 minus 1 minus lambda into 0 is minus 1a, 3 into minus lambda. Now consider characteristic equation is given by a minus lambda equal to 0. Determinant of determinant ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 minus lambda minus 2 minus 1 3 minus lambda equal to 0. Evaluate this one. Product of principal diagonal elements 2 minus lambda into 3 minus lambda. Minus of minus into minus plus 2. ಬಿಡಿಸಿ 2 into 3 6. 2 into minus lambda minus 2 lambda. Minus lambda into 3 minus 3 lambda. Minus into minus plus lambda into lambda. Lambda square minus 2 equal to 0. Write in order. Lambda square minus 5 lambda. 6 minus 2 it is 4. 6 minus 2 it is 4 equal to 0. This is our characteristic equation. Characteristic equation. Okay. To find characteristic roots, what we do? First and third term multiplication. Lambda square into 4 multiply ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 4 lambda square. Write the factors. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 factors ಬರ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ. ಯಾವುದು? 4 1 4 is possible and 2 2 4 is also possible. See here, 2 2 4 and one more is 4 1 4. 2 2 4 is not applicable here because their addition or subtraction must be middle term. 2 plus 2 become 4 ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. 2 minus 2 is 0. So these two factors are not suitable for this problem. Okay, these are not suitable for this problem. 4 1 4 1 is okay. 4 plus 1 5, but we need minus 5 for that reason. Minus 4 lambda minus 1 lambda is the factors. Lambda square, instead of minus 5 lambda, what we do? Minus 4 lambda minus 1 lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. Right? Lambda square minus 4 lambda minus lambda is minus 5 lambda plus 4 equal to sorry. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾ? ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? In between these two, lambda is common. Lambda in minus 4 lambda, lambda taken outside minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ minus 1 ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. Lambda minus into plus minus 4. Again here lambda minus 4 is common. Take outside lambda minus 4. So lambda minus 1 is left inside the bracket. 2 factors equal to 0 means either first factor equal to 0 or second factor equal to 0. So lambda equal to 4, lambda equal to 1. Therefore lambda equal to 1 comma 4 are characteristic roots. Okay. Now consider another problem. Question number 5. Find characteristic equation and roots of the matrix A is equal to 2 3 4 1. Okay, write A minus lambda I A is the matrix 2, 3, 4, 1 minus lambda times of identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. This is equal to 2 minus lambda, ಅದು 3, 4, 1 minus lambda. Consider characteristic equation is given by determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Put a determinant for that matrix 2 minus lambda, 3, 4, 1 minus lambda equal to 0. Product of principal diagonal elements 2 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, minus 3 4 za 12. 2 into 1 2, 2 into lambda 2 lambda, minus lambda into 1 minus lambda, minus into minus plus lambda into lambda, lambda square minus 12 equal to 0. Simplification, lambda square minus 2 lambda minus lambda is minus 3 lambda, minus 12 plus 2 it is minus 10 is equal to 0. Right? Next, this is the characteristic equation. ಇದು ಏನು ಬಂತಪ್ಪ? Characteristic equation. Right? To solve whether factorization is possible here, check ಮಾಡಿ. Lambda square into 10 is minus 10 lambda square ಆಗ್ತದ. Right? 2 factors ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 10 ಇಂದು 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Right? 5 minus 2 is 3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 5 minus 2 is 3 is possible. Which type of 5 we required here? Minus 5 plus 2. Minus 5 lambda plus 2 lambda ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 3 lambda. These are the required factors. Lambda square minus 3 lambda ಗೆ minus 5 lambda plus 2 lambda minus 10 equal to 0. Group first two terms, second two terms. Lambda is common. Lambda minus 5 plus 2 is common. 2 5s are 10. Lambda minus 5. Lambda minus 5 is again common. So lambda is left in first term. Second term plus 2 is left. Two factors are equal to 0 means lambda minus 5 equal to 0 or lambda plus 2 equal to 0. This is equal to lambda equal to 5 or lambda equal to minus 2. Therefore, lambda equal to 5 comma minus 2 are characteristic roots. Okay. So all problems you factorization ಬರಕತ್ತವ. If factorization not possible ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? Quadratic equation formula. A B C ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಆ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ. ರೈಟಾ? ನೋಡೋಣ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ತದೇನು. Find characteristic roots. Find characteristic roots characteristic roots of the matrix. Direct roots ಹೇಳೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ್ರಾಗ. Matrix A is equal to ನೋಡೋಣ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. 1 3 5 7. Okay. A minus lambda I 1 3 5 7. Lambda into identity matrix 1 0 0 1 minus ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 1 minus lambda, 1 minus lambda ne 3, 5, 7 minus lambda. Okay, characteristic roots is given by the formula determinant of a minus lambda equal to 0, determinant of 1 minus lambda 3, 5, 7 minus lambda equal to 0. Product of principal diagonal element 1 minus lambda into 7 minus lambda minus 3 5 are 15. 1 into 7 7 minus 1 into lambda lambda into ಇದು minus 7 lambda minus into minus plus lambda square minus 15 equal to 0. Write lambda square first. Minus 8 lambda 15 minus 7 ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ 7 minus 15 ಅಂದರೆ minus 8 equal to 0. 15 minus 7 15ದಾಗ 7 ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ minus 8. ಓಕೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 8 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ಆರ್ 7 ಇಂಟು ಅಂದರೆ minus 8 lambda square. Factors of 8 may be 8 1s are 8, 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9, 8 minus 1 7, not possible. 4 plus 2 6, 4 minus 2 2, ಎರಡು ಬರಲ್ಲ. So factorization is not possible. In this case what we do? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ equation 1 ಅಂತ ಕರೀರಿ. General form of quadratic equation a lambda square plus b lambda plus c equal to 0. Equation 2. Right? Comparing equation 1 and 2, the value of a is coefficient of lambda square ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಇರ್ತದೆ. Value of b is minus 8. Value of c is minus 8. Right? Now we know that formula x equal to ತೋತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂತ ತಗೋರಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 4ac divided by 2a. So lambda equal to minus b is minus 8 minus half minus plus or minus under root b square minus 8 square minus 4 into a is 1, c is minus 8 divided by 2 into a is 1. Lambda is equal to minus into minus plus or minus under root minus 8 square is 64. ಎಂಟೆಂಟ್ಲೆ 64 minus into minus plus 8 4s 32 8 4 32. Okay, divide by 2. Lambda is equal to 8 plus or minus 64 plus 32 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ 3 9 96 divided by 2. 96 divided by 2. 96 ಅನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ, 100 ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಇದನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿಂದಪ್ಪ 4ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 96 divided by 4, 4 2s 8, 1 ಉಳಿತು, 4 4s 16, 4 4s 16 ಮತ್ತು 24ಅನ್ನು 6 4s 24 ಆಗ್ತದ, 6 4s. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದರೆ 16 ಇಂಟು 6 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 16 ಇಂಟು 6 6 6 36 ಕ್ಯಾರಿ 3 6 1 6 96. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು 96ಅನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? 16 ಇಂಟು 6 16 ಇಂಟು 6 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ರೈಟಾ? ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಏನಾಯಿತು? lambda is equal to 8 plus or minus under root 96 ಅನ್ನು 16 into 6 divided by 2. Lambda is equal to 8 plus or minus root 16 is 4 into root 6 divided by 2. See here what is common? ಎರಡರದಾಗು 4 ಇದೆ ಅಥವಾ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಈಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 4 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ರೂಟ್ 6 divided by 2. So 2 cancel cut ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ 4 ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ರೂಟ್ 6 ಕಾಮ 4 minus 2 root 6 are the required characteristic roots. Okay, this is the end of unit 1, matrices and determinants. Okay, in the next video we are going to start second unit, straight lines.